Welcome everybody. I have a simple video here on how to access the recovery menu on the A16. Now this is one of the latest A models released by Samsung. This should work with any carrier A16. So first, on the right side of the phone, you'll see volume keys and the power button. Make sure your device is powered off completely. You're going to press and hold the volume up key and the power button. So volume up and power. You're going to hold these two until you see the Samsung logo. When you see the Samsung logo, release the power button and keep holding the volume up key. So let's take a look. Volume up, power, hold, let go of the power button. Continue to hold the volume up key. Now we have your Android recovery menu. You're going to use your volume keys to navigate this menu. So we're going to go down to factory reset. Use your power button to select. And now it's just going to ask you to confirm it. Give it a moment. Now you're back to the menu. And we're going to reboot the system. That's it. Very simple.